Is it time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we will delve into Nvidia. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest insights. You do not want to overlook any critical updates that may affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 3rd of October, 2024, our system has categorized Nvidia as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.02. Now let's explore the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 10.48% since we initially identified Nvidia as a buy candidate 10 days ago. This equates to an average return of 1.05% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper part of a wide and strong ascending trend in the short term. This often presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as one might anticipate a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend. A breakout above the upper trend line at $140.14 would initially signal a stronger upward momentum. The prevailing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 12.73% over the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 8.83% to positive 16.40%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a remarkable change of about 242.28% over the next year, with anticipated returns between 186.98% and 250.18%. This equates to a price range of approximately $389.49 to $475.26 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Nvidia includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Nvidia Stock Price After Wednesday Trading. The Nvidia stock price increased by 3.13% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of October, 2024. It rose from $131.60 to $135.72. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 3.83%, reaching a day low of $131.58 and a day high of $136.62. The price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days and is up by 14.19% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 112 million shares, with a total of 262 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $35.6 billion. It is important to note that falling volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $140.76, while the lowest was $39.23. Currently, the price stands 3.58%, or $5.04, below the 52-week high of $140.76, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Nvidia is in the spotlight as the 16th of October brought a flurry of significant news. Analysts are cautiously optimistic ahead of Taiwan Semiconductor's earnings report, keenly observing artificial intelligence chip demand and data center outlook, crucial areas for Nvidia, which stands to benefit from the increased demand for its products in these sectors. However, sentiment varies following comments from billionaire investor Stanley Druckenmiller, who expressed regret for selling all his Nvidia shares earlier this year, labeling it a big mistake. His remarks highlight a broader perspective on Nvidia's potential, particularly as the company positions itself to capitalize on the trillion-dollar data center construction market. Moreover, Nvidia and other tech stocks are celebrated as key players in the two-year bull market driven by enthusiasm for artificial intelligence. With the semiconductor sector currently experiencing a sell-off driven by ASML's lowered guidance, concern about market dynamics is palpable. Nvidia has also faced losses along with its peers, impacting investor sentiment. In the short term, the fluctuation in stock price due to this mix of optimism and caution is likely. Long-term prospects remain strong, driven by artificial intelligence integration and the company's robust positioning. As investors witness Nvidia's capacity to withstand market turbulence, its stock may continue to show substantial growth, making it a focal point in the tech investment landscape. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 14th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company awarded NVDA a buy grade alongside a hold action. On Friday, the 11th of October, 2024, Goldman Sachs also assigned NVDA a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024, Morgan Stanley gave NVDA an overweight grade while maintaining a hold action. On Tuesday, the 8th of October, 2024, both William Blair and B. Riley Securities reported a buy grade for NVDA, again with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Nvidia stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell, and the price-to-book ratio is also considered strong sell. However, when it comes to return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Nvidia. The Nvidia stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support can be expected at levels around $134.36 and $120.44. A decline below either of these levels may trigger sell signals. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day despite an increase in prices, creating a divergence that could serve as an early warning. Therefore, monitoring the stock closely is advisable. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Monday, October 14th, 2024, with the stock having decreased by 1.7% so far. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger indicated a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a sell 13 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 22 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 21 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a sell 22 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 10 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Let's discuss support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $109.21 and $108. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this support is broken, the stock may then decline to the next support level. In this instance, Nvidia finds support just below today's level at $109.21. If this level is breached, the subsequent support from accumulated volume will be at $108 and at $107.27. This stock exhibits average fluctuations throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed medium. Over the last day, the stock moved $5.04 between its high and low, representing a change of 3.83%. For the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 3.66%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Nvidia, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating significant growth rates in the future. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2025 is expected on the 19th of November, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 74 cents. Keep an eye on these figures as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Nvidia. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $138.07. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a good point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia faces its first support level at $109.21. If this support level remains intact, it might serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Nvidia from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 9th of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 155,000 shares of common stock. On the 3rd of October, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 27th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 40,000 shares of common stock. On the 24th of September, 2024, Mark A. Stevens conducted an insider sale of 165,100 shares of common stock. On the 20th of September, 2024, Jen Shun Huang conducted an insider sale of 1,568,000 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 97.495. Overall, insiders purchased 48,359 shares and sold 5,923,740 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $130.55, reflecting a decrease of 3.81%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level presents a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Nvidia stock to perform well in the near future. Our analysis has been updated from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of October, we anticipate Nvidia will open down by $1.08, starting at $134.64. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.